Welcome back, you little hoe. Happy 420, everybody. Today I'm bringing you a mukbang from WINGSTOP's new flavor, the Blaze and Glaze. I honestly just discovered this today when I was on YouTube looking around. This is the Blaze and Glaze. Give me just 1 second. The Blaze and Glazed. So there's like some green stuff that looks like supposedly gonna resemble marijuana. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it right there, that green stuff. Beautiful. We bought some. I also have my own, just in case it doesn't taste good. Some mango habanero. And then my brother has some lemon pepper. Let me see.
It does say it's dry when you buy them.
Oh, I was about to ask, why does it look dry?
It's dry.
You like it dry?
I don't, but it was the only lemon pepper option.
Oh, true. Beautiful.
See,
all right.
Still tastes like it.
Do you want to try this one together at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. No dip, just like this. You don't have to do it on camera if you don't want to, but like let's just do it at the same time. Okay, ready? Cheers.
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 It is tangy.
Very
good.
Tangy. I don't think there's tang.
No?
Strawberry.
That's what it is.
I can taste the strawberry too. But it's giving me more like light. It's giving more like when you open the Fruit Loops and you smell the air of like fruit. That's what it tasted like, but not too like pungent.
It tastes really good.
I think it's alright.
The napkins are back there.
Thanks. They're okay. I wouldn't order them again. Se me salió la baba.
These lemon pepper ones are really good. They are dry though, but the chicken's not dry.
There's cheese. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. We also have some cheese I'm gonna be dipping my wings in. My hands are so sticky now.
Can you eat another one?
What? No. My hands are. Alright. Actually, let me just dip it. This one's mango habanero. Yeah. Spicy as fuck. Yeah. Got some root beer. Comment down below your favorite go-to meal at WINGSTOP, your favorite flavor, your favorite drink. Do you add any extra stuff to your stuff? Let me know. Damn, that one's spicy today. I got some blue cheese. I love blue cheese, like I said before. Whoa. Now let's dip it in some blue cheese. Hey, You want one of mine?
Yeah, let me try.
Grab one. Give me one of yours. Thank you.
It's delicious. Thank you.
So yeah.
Hit the spot, huh?
Yes. I wonder how long they're gonna have that flavor.
I thought we got a mix of these.
What do you mean?
Wasn't it supposed to be a mix?
These are mixed
Oh, a mix of. Oh, okay.
drums and then the wing.
The thigh.
I think this is the thigh and then this is the wing.
Oh. Oh yeah, these are the wings.
My lips are on fire.
I mean, it's actually really. I think it's good, but for sure, all that oregano. What is it you say is basil, or what is it?
I don't know what it is.
That's weird.
But these are the flavors. This is what it has. Terpenes. That might be the green shaving, the terpenes. So it has terpenes, hemp seeds, strawberry flavor. So I think that's the sweetness of the jam or whatever it's like sauced in.
The sauce.
And then cayenne.
Cayenne pepper is spicy.
Yeah, but it's not spicy at all. So it probably has like very little cayenne.
Is that first one, whatever it was called? What's it called?
What?
The first ingredient?
Terpenes.
Turpentines.
Good, huh? I heard people like to get lemon pepper. Like, I think there is like a wet sauce, no?
It said dry. Like it specifically said there, it's good.
Dry.
Letting you know.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I think. Oh no, yeah. I think the wet part is from the other sauce. Excuse me.
Maybe, maybe it's these. When you get wings, you'll get the sauce.
No, it's because like I was gonna tell you, some people like to get lemon pepper and
spicy.
buffalo.
Oh.
Because I think that's like a sauce somewhere at a restaurant. Ketchup, bring it.
What the cheese is fucking bomb. With the cheese Louise.
Thank you. I love ketchup.
I love ketchup.
The Mexican pizza is coming back, guys. You're excited for the Mexican pizza to come back? I honestly never tried it.
I think I'll try it either. How delicious.
It's hot, huh?
It is.
Ketchup. Ahí anda la señora atrás.
What happened?
Ah, pues atrás enfrente de su... in front of her house.
We have her captive in the back. She's held hostage.
She's cleaning, I think, or something, or watering. Ah, Peppa. yes.
I don't know. I like it, but it's kind of like feels too dry.
The outside feels dry because it's like breaded, but the chicken inside is good. It's tender.
I feel like it literally needs a sauce. Like, I wonder why they didn't. Do they not like me? Like not him again.
Sheesh, it's so hot. My pores are opening up. Would you get this one flavor again?
I think I would.
You would?
Yeah.
Really? I think my mom would like these. I'm gonna stick to them and habanero.
And I was thinking, I wonder why don't they put the sauce on the tenders? You said it was only for the wings, huh?
Well, you had said that you couldn't find the sauce, and originally you were doing the meals with the tenders.
Yeah.
So then I went to the normal wings,
Oh, you just got it there.
and the flavor was there, but I didn't double check the tenders because I just took your word for it.
We'll have to check.
My nose is bleeding.
Don't let it bleed, sire.
Have you ever gotten a nosebleed?
Nah.
Yeah.
Not like random ones like that.
I don't think I've ever gotten a nosebleed ever.
Yeah.
Yo, this American cheese, I swear to God, it's like literally like the best cheese ever.
The Americans.
I like the chile con queso, but it's always too watery. Like they always make it really watery.
Yeah, this is goopy.
This is like goopy and thick. Kind of like milk. I like milk.
I like cabbage.
I like cabbage.
The lemon pepper are good and they have flavor.
I hate lemon pepper.
Really?
I ain't gonna lie. Not that I hate it, because I love lemon and pepper, but just not the seasoning.
Oh.
For some reason. It tastes too fake. Like the,
This is just seasoning for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, all lemon pepper is just seasoning. Unless you like squeeze a lemon and then just put the pepper.
I guess so. Yeah.
But
Yeah, because the lemon is the fake lemon is the part because the
yeah, I think
pepper's real.
I think the lemon is like when it throws me off because it tastes really fake to me.
That's what I'm saying. I think on these, the ones that are bone in and stuff, that they're not tenders, I think they have the lemon.
What are you looking for, Saya?
They sprinkle it.
Right. I'm gonna eat this up close.
Like this soup.
Oh,
What?
we forgot to taste that.
Okay, this one.
El agua fresca.
Who will be the judges? Nah, it literally tastes like Minute Maid. Like it tastes like juice.
Pinches culos. Let me taste it.
It tastes like juice. It's so juicy. It tastes like Minute
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
It tastes like a Minute Maid they already have made, and they just watered it down. Literally.
Just some pepinos. Is that what the Mexicans call it?
Some pepinos.
Is that the same thing as the jalapenos?
I think it might be. Good thinking. Nom 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 nom. Did I tell you what? I think I told you already that there was a girl that I was friends with that she would chew like that.
Oh, dude.
And then that she had gargajos in her throat all the time.
Gross. Yeah. We will have scrumptious.
It was good. I literally hit it right in the spot.
What I wouldn't get again is these. Like
True.
it's just dry. These are not dry.
Yeah, you haven't found a good flavor, huh? You always change it and then you don't really like it.
Honestly, the best place for tenders.
Don't tell me the Shack.
Yeah.
I don't like the Shack. The Shack always has very dry tenders. But then that could also be because we drive from over there to China. So, but come on, sauce it up, baby, sauce it up.
1 out of 5?
1 out of 5.
3.5 to 4.
3.5 to 4. Why?
Ponle 4. I'm giving it 3.5, ¿verdad?
Why?
Just because I felt like they had a lot of flavor, and they're not dry. It was new because the way they advertised it was new because it was 420. So you know it made me hype it up even more. But
so you would get them again?
yeah, I mean I wouldn't like beg for them, but like.
Beg.
But I did enjoy them.
It gives me. I swear to God that it gives me Fruity Pebble vibes. Is it Fruity Pebbles? Either Fruity Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
Fruit Loops. Alright guys, that is the end of my video. I finished all my food minus the lemon pepper because I really don't like lemon pepper. But besides that, I don't know how long the flavor is gonna be available, so go and try it before it's gone because you're gonna have to wait a whole other year to try it. And yeah, let me know your favorite combos, your favorite drinks, or favorite flavors from WINGSTOP. Or do you think the Shack is better than WINGSTOP, like my brother says? And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy 4th,